This is all mods, aka Crooklyn. Been sitting there trying to get these Dragon Balls to show up on the Dragon Ball radar without actually scripting them in and just using letting Radiant leave them where they're at. But I'm almost positive I can't do that when you actually have to pick them up and stuff anyway. So decided to just leave that alone until I start doing all that. And I added mission objectives and the icons, which you seen the mission objectives pop up in the top left hand corner of the screen when I started the match. If you notice that little green triangle, I was trying to make the zombies show up on the radar with a multiplayer Devar, um, and it doesn't work until they die. So, and I'm pretty sure I'm not going to leave it. I'm pretty sure it uses game assets and resources to display that stuff. So I'll probably end up just making that not work at all. Uh, I don't think I'm going to change the Dragon Radar picture from beside the mission objectives because once you get, I think it's past ball number 4, you really can't even make out the image, the how many Dragon Ball stars are on, or how many stars on the Dragon Ball. So not gonna be messing with that. There's gonna be some stores in here, a bunch of objectives. The Dragon Ball radar is going to be split into 4 pieces. You're going to have like a little tinker store. You'll have to pay him to fix it. He's going to send you for tools to fix it. I'm going to have probably a clothes store where you can get different outfits for Goku. I'm thinking about having that where you got to go get different materials from different spots on the map and other stuff I add. Another stores for the Dragon Ball Z attack. So, how you probably get the Dragon Ball Z attacks, I'll probably have a Dragon Ball Z character, it'll be just like you buying it, but I'll have it more like they're teaching you the art. I mean, nothing will happen, but they'll just, give you whatever the attack is. And let's just say your spawn area is there. This is the cheapest store, and you got 2 guns between here and that store. That store will only have those 2 guns between that spawn point and that store. Then when you go to the next one, it'll have this store's guns and whatever ones are between the spawn area and that store, so on and so forth. And then when you get to the last store, it'll have every gun on the map. And like I said before, I plan on making it where you can keep all of your attacks. So until you're downed, of course, or I mean die, not downed. But that's what I plan on doing with that. And I'm probably not gonna add any icons to the rest of the stuff. I will set waypoints for the Dragon Balls once you actually get the Dragon Radar. Some of the other stuff I might set waypoints for. Like if when the little tinker guy or wherever I set there tells you he needs a certain tool to fix your Dragon Ball, I'll probably have it set a waypoint to where you got to go to get that. Um, Same thing for the clothes. I was thinking of making it so you got to go to a like a little fabric place and get the cloth to make your different outfits and bring that back. So it's going to be plenty of mission objectives, and they'll go away once you get them, of course. Because right now I just got them all set to active, and I actually messing with trying to get this Dragon Ball to work. I end up looking at some of my old console scripts for Black Ops and end up just trying this. I didn't even search it to see if this actual stuff I'm using to display this was in the game. So it ended up working, and then once that worked, I knew I could set a picture to it. I just wasn't sure exactly what it was gonna do, and I ended up adding that line between the picture and the text. So, but that's all right. But other than that, I just been going through default game file scripts, looking at the VARs for World at War, as many as I can find. Uh, just different stuff. So it's going to be a lot of unique stuff, one of a kind stuff. I think the store thing is going to be pretty fun with having to run around and do those missions to get the different outfits. And I'm thinking about even doing it for a couple of attacks. Um, Not the Kamehameha. The Kamehameha is not going to be viable probably. It'll be something you earn for fighting a freezer or something. I still haven't worked out how I'm going to do that yet. Or I might just make it once you get Super Saiyan 2, you have it. Because it pretty much is the strongest attack in the game. Because it has unlimited attack strength. So, but other than that, I just been messing with this and uh, stop trying to get the Dragon Balls to show up on the radar. So I'm almost 100% positive I'm gonna have to script them in the game instead of using Radiant to place them, so I can give the compass icon and stuff an actual origin instead of trying to get it to work off the model itself. I can get it to work off the coordinates of the model if I script the model in. So, but other than that, that's all I've been doing. Just leave your comments. Let me know what you think.